Hello guys, welcome to the third day of Christmas. We are doing our 10 days of Christmas with Paper Made Prettier. That's my business name. My name is Kay Cogbill. Yesterday was the second day we made this cute gift card holder, and I made lots and lots of gift card holders. Today we're going to be making this gorgeous card with the Sophisicated Sled from the online exclusives. So you won't find this in the catalog. You will only find it online. If you're not looking online, if you're only with the paper catalogs right now, you're missing gobs of products. So make sure and check online for things on the catalog. This is an idea I got for a card from my friend Amy Conder. She's so talented. And I'm just going to show you how to make this card. I've done all the die cutting already just to make it easier for you. But I'll show you that you need the bundle, of course, the stamp set, but also these fantastic dies. We've got the sled, the outline of the sled, the skate rings. These are for the laces, the shoes, the fronds. This cuts out the shoes. This is obviously a little cardinal, which is always popular, a wreath. And this will cut out the stamped image of the sled. So, and this must be this little hangy frondy thing. So, let's get started. My friend Amy made a Misty Moonlight version of this, but I decided to go with Petal Pink because I just was feeling pink. And I love this piece of designer paper from the Snowy Days paper, okay? So I love that it's monochromatic. I love monochromatic here because if we had a lot going on behind this Christmas thing, this sled situation, it would not make sense because it's so gorgeous. It speaks for itself. All right, so we're going to stick down this little piece of white. Now, all of the measurements for these cards are sent out every day on my email list. So you want to join my email list so that you'll get the recipe cards, which tell you all the dimensions, all the colors I used, in case I forget to tell you. And you'll get those for all 10 days of Christmas. Plus, there's a link to take you back to any of the videos that you may have missed. I'm going to be on the weekdays at 1 Central in general. I'm going to be doing Christmas projects for the next 7 days. So you won't want to miss it. If you're on YouTube, make sure like and subscribe so that you'll get all of the notifications for my videos. All right, so we're going to take a early espresso, and we're going to use this little stamp that says, let it snow. And I've cut out, and by the way, it's really snowing in lots of parts of the U.S. right now. Nutso. Not here, but in the northern areas, it's like crazy snowing. So this is the tiniest die cut from the die cut set called Perennial Postage Dies. And I've never used this tiny little postage stamp. So I love, Amy always has the greatest ideas. So we're going to stamp the little sentiment there with early espresso. Now we're going to just build this sled. I've already cut all these die cut pieces, and I'll kind of go through. I've got 2 fronds that I've cut out with the Old Olive cardstock. I've got 2 sets of laces. One is already assembled. This is crumb cake. I've got 2 skates, which are white, and I've got the skate slats, which are silver, and then a little base of the, what do you call it, sled, and then this is the wooden part of the sled. This is pecan pie. This is silver foil. I think that's all of the die cuts. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab my liquid glue. And I'm going to put a little dab in this junction, here. So your less is more here. You just want like this smallest dot you can make with glue. And I'm going to go ahead and put this piece of paper under here because I don't want to mess up my 10 Days of Christmas sheet there. All right, now we're going to assemble this right here. So line up the bottom of your sled with kind of that bottom rung. And actually, I don't need that glue, but we'll use it for our fronds. No worries. So we can just stick our first frond down right where I've already put that glue. When I did my sample card, I used glue dots, so I'm going to pull in a glue dot here for my other frond. Now these fronds are delicate. I did have to put a shim into my emboss machine, which just means that I added a piece of cardstock into the sandwich. If you are not getting those delicate dies to cut properly, you can add one piece of cardstock on top of your sandwich. Just any piece, like it's going to be trashed, but just a scrap, stick it on there, and it will give you just that depth that you need to get it to cut a little stronger. All right, let me see what I want to add next. Let me show you how to assemble these shoelaces. To me, this is the powerhouse of these dies are these tiny little laces, and the detail here is phenomenal. We have a little slit in our skate when we cut it, and these shoelaces slip right in here. And you can turn it over, and you could either use like a little tear and tape, but since I'm going to be popping this up with a dimensional, then I'm going to go ahead and use a dimensional to trap that into place. So I'm going to double function there, and I've already added a dimensional here. Now I'm going to place my skates before I glue on the little rungs because, or the what do you call those, rims, because that glue takes a minute to dry, and so you'll knock them off if you try to do all this while you've got this little skates things. So we're going to put dimensionals right into these slats. I think I can fit one here without it showing. And we're going to just pop this gorgeous little sled. Isn't it adorable? I don't love snow. For one, we live in Arkansas and we don't have good snow equipment. I mean, it's gorgeous, but it wreaks havoc here in the South because we are not prepared. We are not prepared. All right, so we are going to put this cute little shoe here. And we're going to stick this little ice skate here. And then I've tied already a, what do you call this? Okay, it's called Baker's Twine Essentials Pack. And it is the crumb cake color in there. So cute. And it really kind of brings out the laces. And then if you're lucky enough to get these embellishments before they went on back order, great. If not, then you can always order them. You can always color rhinestones with a red blending marker. So we're crafty and we know what to do. I had written out the, these are the items that I'm using today. So we're going to put these little holly berry things. If this isn't just the perfect touch, but you could also obviously put a trio of rhinestones there and it would be just as perfect. And our last thing is we're going to put our, well, almost last thing, we're going to stick our Let It Snow sentiment on. So I'm going to stick this dimensional right here and put that right in that corner. And then I'm going to glue my skate slats on. I feel like I've lost one. Let me see if it's in the bucket or on the table. It's probably staring me in the face. Y'all are probably like, I see it, I see it. Oh well, it'll turn up. You get the gist. So we're going to put our little dot dot here. And we're going to add this on very carefully. Perfection. So obviously these dies are the star of the show. With this stamp set, you cannot go wrong, but you do want to get the whole bundle. And then I'll find my other silver slat and stick it on there. So day 3 of Christmas in the books. Don't forget to watch days 1, 2. Now we've done day 3. Oh, I guess my numbers are off here. Anyway, every weekday between now and 10 days from now, you can find me here around 1 p.m. Central. Make sure and get on my email to see the recipe cards. When you order $50 or more during the 10 days of Christmas, you'll get 10 free made Christmas cards. When you order $75 or more, you're also going to get a free embellishment. And don't forget about my Christmas gift of the season. That is the adhesive pack for $39. So you'll get this cute bag, and then you'll get both types of dimensionals, glue dots, stamp and seal refill, and liquid glue. So you'll have everything you need to either get through the holidays or to get replenished after the holidays are over. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you for the 4th day of Christmas. Bye.